This is everything that I use to make videos in 2022 as a full-time YouTube creator. And this is not a comprehensive list of all of the gear that I own or use. It's just the bare minimum that I need on any given day in order to film, edit, and upload a YouTube video. And I think some of this is going to surprise you. First up is the iPhone 13 Pro. And while it might not surprise anyone to see that I'm using the latest iPhone to shoot videos with, it has surprised me to see just how much this has started to replace my big DSLR camera with footage that not only looks every bit as good, but sometimes even better in specific situations. Like wide-angle outdoor landscape shots look really good on the iPhone 13 Pro. But there still are a few situations where I prefer using my DSLR. The Canon 6D Mark II with a 24mm f2.8 lens. This K&F concept tripod is my main go-to tripod. For audio recording, I'm using the LensGo wireless mic. It has a receiver that connects to the camera, and then the microphone can actually just clip right on my shirt. By the way, links for all of this stuff in the description below. Now when it comes to video editing, I've been doing everything for the past year on this, a 4th generation iPad Air with the video editing app lumafusion. When I'm transferring files onto this, it's really easy when I'm using my iPhone because I can just use AirDrop, and then when I need to move stuff from an SD card onto this, I use this USB Type-C SD card reader. Now, no video is complete without some music and maybe a few sound effects as well, which is why I use Audio. Audio has a huge library of music and sound effects that's licensed to use on all social media and video platforms. And I would definitely recommend them. They have some of the best pricing as well. Speaking of which, they have a 50% off sale right now as of the time that I'm uploading this video. So if you want to jump on that and get 50% off of their Audio Pro subscription plan, better do it sooner than later. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And finally, I upload my videos to YouTube just using my iPad and the YouTube app. And that is all the gear that I have to have in order to make my YouTube videos. And I'm not suggesting that you go out and buy all of this same exact gear. In fact, there's better gear that you could get. I just wanted to show you guys the gear that I've been using and what's been working best for my workflow over this past year. If you guys want to learn more about photography and filmmaking, go check out some more of my videos right here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.